Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your WeChat application. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your WeChat's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your WeChat application. The official page of WeChat will appear on the screen. Click on Sign Up option. You can sign up for your WeChat's account using your mobile number or Facebook as well. Click on any one of the options. If you choose signing up with mobile, on the next page, enter your name, choose the country or region, enter your phone number and create a password for your WeChat's account. Agree to the terms and conditions of WeChat by tapping on circle icon, then tap on accept and continue. On the next page, tap on start. Complete the puzzle. A verification code will be sent to your phone number. Enter a verification code sent to your phone number and tap on next. This is how you can sign up for your WeChat's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.